another early morning. Listening to Sinatra has gotten me thinking. I'm tired of straining my voice. I look up Frank Sinatra. He was a baritone who sang in pretty much one octave. A lot of his big hits were tunes he stole from other people. He was also a pretty good actor, so that's some plausible deniability for Frankie. But in regards to his singing, it seems he's got this stereotype of such a perfect voice. What a voice. What a great singer, that Frank Sinatra. F. Frank Sinatra, I'm here, right now, to declare that I can sing better than Sinatra ever sang. And I'll prove it. For background, we will have the most recent Jardula and Fiorella in Honduras. No one knows where they're getting all this money to go all over Central America. No one knows who they are, where they came from. No one knows who they're trying to fool. If someone had access to information, they would see that those are COINTELPRO actors. There's something called excursion. Watch for Jardula as the whole time his jaw keeps going back and forth. It's really cringeworthy. It reminds me of the quick deterioration that happened to Aunt Beebs. So that will be the direction of this show. I've got a Carpenters tune already lined up. I'm already pumped and jacked from doing Killing Me Softly last night or yesterday by Sinatra covering Roberta Flack. I liked how that turned out, so I'm going to keep going with that attitude. I like doing the Paul McCartney in a lower octave. I think that song Yesterday is very difficult. There's just too much going on where you have to go up and down quick. So I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe I can learn it if I practiced it. Yet it's sort of a boring song, and they stole that from Nat King Cole. Anyway, young people out there, don't do hard drugs. Or alcohol. You're just gonna end up like that guy Jardula. Don't join the military. Don't sell out. Dignity is all that has any worth. That's all one can strive for, is self-worth and finding someone to love. That's all there is in this life, because the system, it's so corrupt, it's unsalvageable what this system is. And it's not going to change either, because what we see as change actors are actually paid fakes. They want you to either kiss their butts. I already went through this. If you want to survive on internet as a social media actor participant, you either have to kiss their butts or make terrorist threats. Otherwise, go up to that line. Otherwise, they don't want you on their channels. And then good luck with the channels that do allow you on, because you'll find out that they're full of it too. They're conformist too. They're limited too. They're suspicious too. Okay, let's get to that tune. I like this new special interest of singing and making videos. I don't care if the page views are low or whatever. The stamps got boring for me. They cost money. This is free. This is something that combines special interests with stimming. Doing the same thing over and over is called a stim. So I'm trying to create stims like singing, repeating tones. Hello? So that's like a stim to me. This is therapeutic. This is therapy. I'm willing to help out anyone out there with Asperger's. If you want to try to sing, I'll try to help you out. Or anything to do with life. I do have some teaching experience. But otherwise, I'm just me and doing my own thing. And that includes singing. It takes a lot of time to edit this stuff. So this will keep me busy today and keep me focused. It'll keep me good and productive. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the lesbians in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Dun 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 da 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 da. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the lesbians in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Dun, 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 dun. Just like me, they long to be close to you. One, close to you. One, close to you. High, close to you. Dun-dun-dun. Loud, close to you. Long ago, and oh so far away, I fell in love with you before the second show. Your guitar, it sounds so sweet and clear, but you're not really here. It's just the radio. Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh baby. I love you. I really do. Loneliness is such a sad affair, and I can hardly wait to be with you again. What to say to make you come again? Come back to me again and play your sad guitar. Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Baby, 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 oh baby. I love you. I really do. Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby? Dun-dun-dun. You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Baby, 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 oh baby. I love you. I really do. Dun, dun. Oh. Okay, I got ideas for a few more tunes because I know I like to get up to around 15 minutes total. I already talked a little bit at the beginning.